I know you guys didn't know, but I actually do wear glasses for the computer. I just don't put them on when I'm filming like I'm supposed to, you know? Yeah. So, let's go. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back to do the listing video for the Honcho Wholesale lot that I just unboxed. That video for the unboxing will be listed in the description box if you wish to watch. And if you want to see what items I will be sending in the Amazon and find out what my potential profits will be, continue to watch. Okay, so just to jog your memory, I paid $160.68 for this plus size apparel lot, which puts me in at $6.43 a piece. I got my new batch going. So if you watched the previous videos, the tops like these I am not going to scan because the original price is $14.99 and most of them are not on the most of them are not in Amazon catalog, and also the ones that are, after Amazon takes out their fees, it's not even worth sending it out. So if you see me just take it and put it to the side, that means it's one of those tops that I'm not going to even bother with. Okay. Now, this is that nice, this the high-low? Yep. High-low top by Alfani. And it is not in there. Oh, poo. I was hoping that it would be. Okay, this is the other top by Alfani. Not on there. Okay, we're now off to a good start here. Okay, yay, this one's on there. This is the striped midi dress. It's going for $21.98. So my profit will be $15.18. Here are a blue pair of polka dot capris by Karen Scott. And they're not on there. Here is this floral dress by City Chic. It's going for $26.68, and my profit will be $18.33. It's a nice top by Alfani. It's not on there. Here is that sleeveless palm high-low dress by Alfani, and it's not on there. Okay, this box is going to have me working. So here is a navy maxi dress by Style & Co. And that's on there. Going for $19.99. Actually, the rank is kind of high. So the rank is kind of on the high side with this one, but I'll give it a shot. It's not too high. It's just right. It's right there at the high point, like at the top 5%. Okay, this is that floral top by Alfani. Okay, so this one is on there. Going for $19.99, and I sent this in before and it did sell. So that one, let's see the other one, because I think this one is a 3X. Let's see. tag. Okay, so this one is on there. Huh. Someone has this very much underpriced. It must not be brand new. It must not be brand new, because they have it listed as $7.79. I don't know. I'm listening at $19.99. This is that Copper Cami by City Chic. It's on there, but the rank is insanely high. I already have this listed on other platforms, so I'm just going to add this size to it. And I actually do have it listed on Amazon as well, merchant fulfilled. So okay, so I'm gonna show this top one more time because I did detangle the necklace so that you can see how the actual necklace is supposed to look. Okay, see that? And it is not on there. Okay, so this one originally priced at $24.50. So I'm going to give it a shot and actually scan this one and see what the numbers look like here. See if it's on there. It is not on there anyway. This is the Alfani Cobalt blouse. And it is going for $18.88. My net profit will be $11.86. Here is the Styling Co. Navy maxi skirt. Okay, so it's going for $24.99. And my profit would be $10.96. So I'm going to try this one. It's on there, but there are no rank and there is no offers. So here is the Comfort Waist Light Wash Denim Capris. Okay. Alright, I already scanned this previously at $19.99. And my net profit is $11.24. Last thing is this white jacket by Alfani. And oh, who is not on there? Okay, so far my net profit with this one is $129. Okay, so I conservatively priced each item left in this box that I have to list on other platforms like eBay, Posh, Mercari, wherever I can list it. I conservatively priced them at $7 a piece. So I don't think, I'm pretty certain I'll make more than that. So I'm just erring on the side of conservative and adding that amount to the net profit that I have for my Amazon shipping. I'm looking at a profit of $227.93. Now, I subtract what I spent on the lot, I'm looking at a profit of $67. Now, I'm not salty about that because I know that's not the exact amount I'm gonna get for each item that I have on the side. I mean, I have some really great pieces. So that's it for this video. Stay tuned for my upcoming videos. I have more unboxings, more listing videos to come. And if you like this video, don't forget to thumbs it up. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification button to be notified every time I upload a new video. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.